What's up, traders? Johnny here with the Investing for Beginners community. And today we're going to talk about two things you should know before market open on Monday. So this is going to pertain to April 1st. April 1st is what is going to be on Monday. So cool. So let's get started. I want to first say congratulations on taking that step to wanting to learn how to trade. And if you find my channel, that's basically what I talk about here: trading in the stock market, investing, and how to make money through stocks for beginners. So we're going to go over a couple things, and basically we're going to talk about what to look for when investing, and I'm going to give you a real life example of exactly a stock that you can pick, you can trade, very good potential moving forward and moving up in the right direction. Also pays a dividend. What? So you can day trade and make money daily or weekly. You could hold it long term, and you could also get paid for owning shares of this company. All that I ask is you smash that like button, subscribe to the channel if you find value in this, and let's get started. So guys, all my subscribers that watch already know that I trade live Monday through Friday, 7 a.m. my time, 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And we trade for 30 minutes pre-market, 30 minutes after market. Now, what are we going to do on Monday? That's the big question. Well, Monday, we have some potential stocks that we are going to be collecting some money for, okay? Now, I'm going to give you an example of what to look for, okay? And it's going to start right now. And guys, I'm so used to doing live streams, I keep looking to see if there's any messages. There's not. So I've been trying to do 2 videos every single day for you guys, a live stream in the morning and some type of a recap or educational video in the evening. This is coming out a little late. It's about 8 o'clock my time, probably 10 o'clock your time if you're on the East Coast. Now, time is irrelevant, but what is relevant is these awesome setups that we're going to be looking at. Now, this chart right here is a 4-hour chart using the WeBull app. We're going over Abercrombie and Fitch Co. A&F. As you can see, this company since November of last year has had a nice, strong confirmation, a strong trend moving up, moving in the direction we want it to go in. Now, just simply buying this company at literally any point in time, you could have made money. 10%, 20%, 50%, oh my gosh, 119% in 117 days. That's literally almost 1% every single day. That means you could have blindly invested in this company and made profits. And these are the kind of setups that I want you guys to pick every single time. Okay, I want you guys picking these companies and trading these companies as often as possible compared to something like this. Don't ever invest in a company like this. Now, okay, hold up. I can't say that, right? Because there is opportunities in here as well. It is dipping down. As you can see, it's going down in a downward trend. And right here, that's a 12% pullback correction back up that you could have potentially made. Now, I don't like to share this with new investors because we just received over 1,000 new subscribers this month, just past 5,100 subscribers on the channel, and we have over 80,000 members now on our private Facebook group. Now, with so many new investors coming in, it's important to really understand and really show our new investors exactly how to make money and exactly how they should understand the market. Now, moving forward, I will never tell you what to buy, hold, or sell. So don't ask me what I'm trading. I think I share that enough with you guys on the live streams, but I will never like encourage you, or I'll never tell you or make you like do something you don't want to do, and you never should. If you're asking somebody what they're trading or how to trade, then maybe you're not ready to trade. And that's okay. That means you're in a beginning stage of your investing journey. We're all there. I know I was certainly there at one point in my life. And now I'm educated enough to be able to share my experience with you guys. So never invest in companies that are a downward trend. You would definitely just lose your money. As you can see here, investing at any point in time, it's down over 45%. This is a great way to lose money over time. We don't want you to lose money. We want you to make money because it's hard. It's hard-earned money, guys, okay? You guys like my glasses? I got a little tired wearing my contacts today, so I had to put the glasses on. So, okay, so now that we've showcased a major uptrend in our favor, now we're going to go over this major pullback. Now, this is a rejection stage, and we talk about rejection, consolidation, and confirmation quite a bit. I have plenty of videos on oversold, what to look for when looking at an oversold company, how to trade oversold companies, and also the benefits of finding these huge pullbacks with reversals. Now, as you can see, it did reverse. It did show signs of rejection, about 20%. Crashed through a support level here, which honestly don't even really need to look at. Let's delete that one and that one. We're going to get rid possibly this line. See, it's going up. I'm not going to move that one. And we'll get rid of this one. Okay, so you got your rejection. And then there was very little consolidation, but it did bounce off of the SMA, which is your simple moving average. Now, this is a 200-day simple moving average. And as you can see here, it goes right along underneath the stock, the tickers. Now, the EMA is the blue line, and that's a little bit more volatile. That tracks the tickers a little bit more closely, the candles, because it's only a 45-day. I like to use both of them for strong indications of direction. You want to have good direction in your favor before you make a trade. So let's talk about it. A&F, Abercrombie & Fitch. This is going to be happening on Monday. It's already showing signs of confirmation almost. If it can pass this EMA line, which it's super close, then that'll be a sign of confirmation, and you could potentially make some profits, almost 16% if it goes back up to recent highs. Now, if it goes back to where it was previously a few days ago, that's still a 10% profit. And that's exactly what we aim for on this channel. 2% a day or 10% a week, which would give you a 40% profit a month. Within 10 weeks, 2.5 months, you will double your account size. And if you guys want to double your account size, you want to grow your money and not lose it, then I would definitely suggest taking some notes. Now, this is just one company. I'm not telling you to trade it. Okay, I'm not going to be responsible if you buy at the wrong time and lose a bunch of money. Okay, do your own due diligence and learn before you can earn. Okay, now you could also paper trade. Paper trading is an option that you can do, and I would recommend it to all my new investors out there. Start with paper trading. Okay, there's no monetary risk. The only thing that you sacrifice is a little bit of time, but it doesn't have to be a sacrifice if you're learning. Okay, it could be a growth hack for you for your future. So as you can see, it bounced off the SMA. It's going up now. Okay, showed really good signs of clear direction here, and could have made 18, 19%, 20% in 10 days. 20% in 10 days. Well, we just said we want to make 10% in a week, so 10% in 5 days. Not bad. There you go. You already met your goal of 10% a week and you're halfway there to 40% in a month. 20% profit there. Then you would sell. And now I know why I drew that line, because it is a heavy resistance level right here. Very heavy resistance level at the 138. Now 138 is a psychological number. A lot of investors like whole numbers. The institutions, everyone likes whole numbers. It's just easier, right? Doesn't mean it has to go to 138, but it definitely could. Now it's tracking at 120, which is good, right? It has a support, so it shows signs of rejection. Now it's showing signs of consolidation, and it's bouncing off this SMA, showing signs of confirmation. So now I would add a few shares and wait for it to go up. I wouldn't add a lot of shares, maybe 25 to 50% of my position size. And I do want to say I trade with over $30,000 in my account, but when I trade, I'm only trading with $2,000 or $3,000 per trade. So let's just keep it simple, okay? Let's just say 1,000. I use the $1,000 example a lot with my new investors, because let's face it, not a lot of new investors have $1,000 to put in or are willing to put their $1,000 into the market until they're a little bit more educated and understand what's going on. So I'd put 25% in, so $250. Monday goes up a little, $250. Now it may take a day or two. This could be a swing trade. Goes up another dollar. And say it takes you 4 days, okay? So 250 here on Monday, 250 here on Tuesday, 250 here on Wednesday, 250 here on Thursday. And if it works out great, then on Friday, we will sell this position for 100% of that share of the allocation. So at $1,000, at 250, 4 different times, showing clear direction that it's going up, then we can easily make some money. My gosh, this is stupid. I'm gonna go off of this. Right here, that's 10%. So you can make 10% potentially in a week by holding this company. Now, it doesn't mean it has to go up. And again, I want you to be very cautious going into this company on Monday. But you could always follow me along Monday morning, 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, right here. Well, actually, I'll be home. I'll be home. Woohoo! I won't be in a hotel anymore. This is my last night in the hotel. So I'll be back to my normal trading station and back to a normal routine. And can't wait. I can't wait to be home. Hotel life is horrible. I got like this creak in my neck. Oh, and I'm not sleeping good, not eating good. Usually tend to eat more fast food and stuff when I travel, so that's never good. I'm more of a chicken rice kind of guy. So, with that said, Monday, that's exactly how we're gonna play A and F. Okay, and if it goes down, okay, now here's another scenario. Now, what if it starts to go down? Well, if it goes down, we're only going to lose, say, 3 to 4%, right? So you can do two things. If you believe that it's going to bounce off this SMA line, then you can you could wait till it dips a little more, add positions, and then get a little bit more profit as it comes down where this SMA is. So you have it 15% profit instead of 10. Or it'll simply start going up from here and you'll make it 10%. But we have a plan. Okay, it's always good to have a plan. I'm going to risk $1,000, which is, what's that, 1/30th of a percent? I wouldn't know how to put that in any other way. 3,000 on 30 is 10%. So like 3%. So I'm risking 3% of my whole account, right? $1,000. But then with that $1,000, I'm going to put $250 in. Now with that $250, I'm only risking the 3%. And 3% of say 300 is like $9. So really, I'm only risking less than $10 to make over 1,000 at 15% is $150. So I'm risking $10 to make $100 to $150. Now you might ask, why not just buy more? Why not just put all your money in and just ride this up and buy more? Well, guys, it's simple. You never want to put all your eggs in one basket. And I don't have to be right. This is just a trade setup I've seen. I have over 30 companies that I watch daily. And for investors, maybe you only want to watch 2. Maybe you only want to watch one company while you start learning it, right? But that's a good company to pick if you're getting started, you're not sure what to do, you're not sure what direction to take. That would definitely be a company that you might want to consider investing in. Now, let's get back to it. Let's show you one more company here. TQQ. Nope, wrong one. QQQ. Same thing. Okay, same exact thing. Upward momentum in our favor. Back from November to now would be 25%. 25%, guys, holding on to a company for 3 months. Now, it's a little lower of a profit than the one we just stated or one we just saw on ANF, but it's still a very solid company. Yeah, I'm sure you've seen the commercials for Invesco Triple Q Trust. It's the one where like the lady's in the ice bath and she stays in there for like 2 seconds and then she gets out. That's Invesco Triple Q Trust. They also track the market. They go along with the NASDAQ. Okay, so definitely somewhat safe because the NASDAQ is always going up. And as you can see here, every time it has a bounce, it goes up. Bounce, goes up, pull back here, goes up, pull back here, goes up. And now we're starting to experience somewhat of a pullback. Now you can call this whatever you want. You can call it a bull flag pattern if you want to, or whatever, but basically that's how it's going to look. And it's going to get so caught up and so stuck in this little area that eventually it's going to break out. And when it breaks out, it can go to previous highs and even higher. Now, when it bounces, it gets about 2 to 3%. So 2 to 3% isn't much, but this is one of those companies where you could invest a little bit more because it is slightly a little safer. And again, I would never tell you what to buy, hold, or sell. I have tons of other companies. If you're ever interested in learning more about these companies, we're experiencing a lot of pullbacks on a lot of these companies right here, broke through this support level. So we may see this bounce again on Carvana. And NEO is one of those companies that has an extreme downward trend, but I like it because it's starting to trade sideways. Horizontal direction, it can also be good in our favor because you can easily identify the low point and the high point. The low point and eventually the high point again. Now this is definitely a little bit more risky of a play than the ones that I'm showing you, but I'm not too worried about it. Now, I remember stating at the very beginning of this that we had a company to show you guys that not only helped with our criteria, but pays a dividend. And that company is Ares Capital ARCC. Okay, we're going to look over that right now. ARCC. Ares Capital. Now, look at this company, guys. Okay, this company has done nothing but go up since November to now. 15% profit. Now, it's a 15% profit, but it also pays a dividend. Yes, that's correct. So let us take a look at that real quick. I pulled it up. Sorry for your eyes. It is a little bright. But we're on the NASDAQ.com market activity stocks dividend history. ARCC dividend history, 10% yield a year. They have an ex-dividend date on March 14th. They're going to have another one in June, September, and in December. Basically paying out 48 cents a share, almost 50 cents a share, which means they pay out $2 a year for owning a single share of this company. What? Yeah, what? So you're telling me you could buy this company for $20 right now. They'll pay you $2 a year to hold it per share? That's correct. So if I put $1,000 in and hold it a year, then you'll make $100. $100, guys, with benefits. Okay, this is what we're talking about. With the benefit of these pullbacks and these huge moves up, that would have been 5% in a week. 5% in a week plus your 10% a year. Pretty cool, right? And it all starts with identifying good potential setups, pullbacks, reversals, and understanding low levels, high levels, opportunities to buy at support and opportunities to sell at resistance levels. Guys, I really hope that you found some benefit in this video. I hope you found value in it. I believe you did, and if you did, smash that like button. Let me know that you did find value in it and that you want to continue learning. Okay, live every morning, Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, 30 minutes before the market, so 30 minutes pre-market, 30 minutes during the market. And heck, if we're running really good and we're seeing some good plays and making some money, then we may run the stream longer than an hour, may go 2 hours. It also depends on how many of you show up. So 9 a.m. Eastern Time, Monday morning, don't be late. Just kidding. And on Sunday, we have a Sunday night stock talk, 7 p.m. You can follow along with us as we do exactly what we did here, but with more stocks. I'll probably go over my entire 30 stock watch list, 30 companies that I'll be watching for this week. We're going to go over them all for you live on the stream, so you could ask questions, you could talk about different companies, and you can call out stocks that I can look at, and we can go over them together, answer questions, and give you real life feedback that you can actually use and benefit from, so that way you can start making money in the stock market. I appreciate your time. Have a good day and a good night, and we'll see you all Monday night for the stock talk, or Sunday night for the stock talk, and Monday morning for the live stream. Go watch some other videos. We have over 500 educational videos for you right now. Let me show you guys before we get off. I know it's probably my staple here on this channel is saying bye to you guys like 10 freaking times. It's just what I do. Hey, it's what I do. I don't mind spending a little extra time. Whoop. Computer's being stupid. What the heck? I don't mind spending a little extra time with you guys and showing you this real quick because it's important. I want you guys to see.
I missed it, guys.
Oh my gosh.
Sad to say.
There we go. I want you guys to see Investing for Beginners community. We do have a private Facebook group, over 70,000 members, closer to 80,000 members right now. We have more than 5,000 subscribers on the YouTube channel, over 500 educational videos, all for you guys. How to use an RSI, how to use a MACD, trading, swing trading, morning trading, trading Mara, how to trade crypto. Maybe you guys don't want to day trade, maybe you just want to invest. I got a $5 challenge for you to invest $5 into SCHD, US dividend equity ETF, and how you can make money from that. I'll also show you all these playlists here, how to day trade and swing trade, over 100 videos of just that alone, and over 400 videos on investing in real estate trust or REITs and crypto, as well as a lot of shorts, guys. Get straight to the point. Here we are. Let me show you this one real quick.
Right around $20, $18.
Here we go.
I think 470 is one of those support levels here. 470, $18.
Boom.
Okay, there we go.
So there you go. That shows you just a little bit of That shows you just a little bit of what we do, locking in profits, setting those limit orders, and making money and having fun while we do it. So thanks, guys. We'll see you later. Enjoy your weekend, and we'll see y'all tomorrow, Sunday night, and Monday morning.